Hello, welcome to science lesson. Nishtimani Science Exam, 23rd June 2021, Booklet C. We are going to solve question together. Question 1. The distance from Earth to Sun is about 150 million kilometers. Calculate time it takes from light to travel that distance. The speed of light, as you see here, it is 300,000 km per hour. Let us start. Our formula, we are going to find, of course, here time equal distance over speed. So what is our distance? 150 million kilometers. What is our speed? 300,000 kilometers. So when we cancel 0 as you see here, that means 1500 over 3, it is going to be 500 seconds. So answer will be B. Question 2. Distillated water has a pH of. That means these are going to be pure water. Pure water. pH scale. Let us draw pH scale. As you remember from chapter 13, section 3, these are 7. These are going to be natural. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side from 1 to 7, it is going to be acid, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and this side will be base. So 7 will be natural. What is in here? Salt and pure water. So pH, these are going to be pH scale. According to that, pure water will be 7. pH will be 7. Question 3. Which of the following is kinetic energy? It is going to be nuclear energy. The electromagnetic waves are different from other type of waves because they can travel through the space. Because why? The light travels from sun to earth, so it can travel from empty space. Question 5. All right. Firstly, number 1, as you see here, number 1, it will be, of course, kidneys. Number 1 is kidney. Number 2, as you see here, this one, it is going to be ureter. Number 3, it will be urinary bladder. Number 4, as you see here, this one, it will be urethra. So the urine waiting in this place, that part, so answer will be 3. Question 6. A simple machine that consists of an inclined plane wrapped around the cylinder. When you check your science book, the definition going to be like that. Screw is a simple machine that consists of an inclined plane wrapped around the cylinder. So according to that definition, it will be A. Question 7. Which of the following is international unit to measure power? So let us check this one. It is represent mass. This one represent, as you remember, energy or work. Newton, it is going to be force or weight. Watt, it will be power. So answer will be D. Question 8. The sum of number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom, it will be, of course, mass number, because proton number plus neutron number, it is equal mass number. So it will be A. Question 9. What is the mechanical advantage of lever in figure, as you see here? Which lever? As you see here, this one, second class lever. So it is going to be grade 1. There are 3 types of class lever. First class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. As you see here, first class lever mechanical advantage equal 1. Second class lever mechanical advantage bigger than 1, yani greater than 1. Third class lever mechanical advantage less than 1. So according to that, it will be B, because this one it is second class lever. Answer will be A. Question 10. Which of the following is correct way that calculate mechanical advantage of which? This is an example of which. As you see, it is shortest side, it is 2, and there is another side here, it is going to be 8. So longest side over shortest side, according to that, it will be A. So what is the half-life of carbon? As you remember that, 5,730 years. This is one half-life of carbon. So answer will be D. Using a force of 100 Newton, you push shopping cart 10 meter. How much work did you do? So let us write formula first. Work equal force time distance. According to that, work equal, what is our force? When you see Newton, it is going to be force 100 Newton time. What about our distance? 10 meter. So it is going to be 1000 joule. So answer will be A. Question 13. Which of the following correct way that calculate mechanical efficiency? Remember formula. What is formula of mechanical energy? Mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency equal work output over work input times 100. Work output, as you see, over work input times 100. So answer will be D. In a car battery, blah blah, energy convert into energy. And when you check the here, car battery, first it is chemical, as you see here, chemical. First one it will be chemical. That means first one chemical convert into, as you see here, electrical energy. So chemical, electrical. So answer will be C. Question 15. Which of the following, which nuclear radiation can be stopped by paper? When you check here, they can stop it by paper or clothing. So according to that, it will be alpha particle, as you see here, alpha particle. Which of the following is a dominant trait according to the result of Mendel experiment? As you see here, let us check all options. Yellow pot. When we check yellow pot, this one it is dominant. So this one dominant. Dominant. Because this one yellow pot. Here it is yellow pot. Let us write here yellow pot. So it is recessive. Impossible this one. Ringlet seed. What is it? Ringlet seed? This one. This one also recessive. This one also impossible. Green seed. Let us check green seed. This one green seed. Also it is recessive as you see. Tall stem. When you check tall stem as you see here, this one going to be dominant. This one dominant. Dominant. So answer will be D. Question 17. The process that produces sex cell is meiosis. What's a number of chromosomes in human body? It is 46. But there are two types of cell in our body: body cells, and sex cells. Body cell have 46 chromosomes. Sex cells have 23 chromosomes. Which type of cells have 23 chromosomes? First, for example, sperm. Sperm, it is sex cell of male, it is 23 chromosomes. Egg, sex cell of female, it is also 23 chromosomes. Red red blood cell also have 23 chromosomes. Alright, so answer C. The likelihood that possible future event will occur in any given instance of the event, it will be probability. A plant that has both female and male reproductive structures is able to self-pollination. 21. The electromagnetic waves are formed from vibration, electric and magnetic fields. As you see here, this one will be the kinetic energy depending on, when we write formula of kinetic energy, it is going to be easy for us. Kinetic energy equal mass time speed square over 2, or we can write like that: kinetic energy equal mass time speed square over 2, or velocity. So according to that, it is depending on mass and speed. Question 23. What is the gravitational potential energy of a cat that weight is 60 Newton, standing on a table that is 0.8 meter? What is formula of potential energy? Potential energy equal weight times height or distance. So according to that, weight is 60 Newton, time 0.8, it is going to be height, it will be 48 joule. 24. An alarm clock, it is sound. First here should be sound. Sorry, this is electrical energy. Electrical energy change into sound energy. So electrical change into sound energy, it will be A. Question 25. Your body uses the food you eat to convert chemical energy into kinetic energy. Which event happen first in kidney at filter blood? When we check here, as you see, students, a large artery bring blood to each kidney. According to that, it is same definition actually. A large artery bring blood into kidneys. So what happened? It will be A, B. All right. Which of the following are well suited for grinding food premolars? Which of the following is not a function of livers? It is a function of large intestine. It is on large intestine. So the mixture of food enzyme and acid in stomach is called chyme or chyme. Neutralization reaction includes acid and base, produce salt, form water, and all of them. Let us write our reaction firstly. This one, sodium hydroxide. This one will be base plus hydrochloric acid. This one will be acid, of course. That two substance will be water. This one water plus this one water. Let us write, and salt, sodium chloride. This one salt. According to that, it is including acid and base. It is true. This one true. Produce salt, as you see, produce salt. It is also true. Form water. This one also true. That means it will be all of them. D. Hemophilia is a sex-linked disorder. In chapter 1, section 3, there are two sex-linked disorders, hemophilia and color blindness. 32. The passing of trait from parent to offspring is called heredity. A diagram that shows the genetic trait in several generations will be, of course, pedigree. Which of the following stimuli a kidney reabsorb water in nephrons? It will be antidiuretic hormone or ADH. Question 35. If cross happen snapdragon snap rat flower through breeding, that means right, it is going to be R1 R1 with a snapdragon white flower. White, it is going to be R2 R2, as you see. Which of the following produce? Let us draw our Punnett square. It is going to be easy, our work here. Firstly, let us write red color. This one going to be red color. R1 is red. R2 is this one going to be white. According to that, the first offspring will be R1 R2. Second one also going to be R1 2 R1 R2. This one R1 R2 R1 R2. So all possibility going to be R1 R2. So this one will be pink. So 100% is pink. Keep the stool soft and keeps material moving through the large intestine. It is going to be fiber. Esophagus, as it the pipe, food pipe between mouth and stomach. So according to that, it will be B. One of the alternative form of gene is allele. The organ that lies behind the stomach and that makes digestive enzyme and hormones to regulate sugar level is called pancreas. The finger-like projection that line the small intestine is called villi. Villi absorb foods, especially small nutrients, to send blood. Friction increase the mechanical advantage. It is false. It is not increasing mechanical advantage. Cause the machine cannot be 100%, cannot efficiency 100%. It is true. Assist cause machine efficiency 100%. It is false. Protect machine surface is called friction. It is also false. According to that, it will be C. As you chew the food mixed with the liquid is called saliva, because chemical digestion of carbohydrates start in mouth with saliva. All right. Beta particle can be beta particle, one neutrons change into one electron, one proton. One neutron change into one proton, that means positive charge, and one electron is negative charge. So it will be C. Because has no mass and charge, it is gamma. It is for gamma. The charge and mass is greater than alpha particle. No, the alpha particle is largest one, biggest one, made up of 2 proton and 2 neutron. It is also alpha particle. So answer will be C. Covalent compounds, it has low melting point. It is true. It has a high melting point. It is false. It is for ionic compound. It consists 2 nonmetal. It is also true. It conducts electric current in water solution. These are for also ionic. As you see here, students, there are 2 answers. A and B is true, but when you check the book carefully, it will be A. Answer will be A. According to book, it is only A, but according to question, there are 2 answers. The mechanical advantage of movable pulley is 2. Is the force that hold 2 or more atoms to form compound is chemical bond. There are 2 kind of chemical bond: ionic bond and covalent bond. Question 47. In meiosis, one cell are produced from a single cell. That means during the meiosis, it is cell producing 4 cells. It will be C. Gene carry information that determines traits. Which of the following is not part of the digestive tract? Digestive tract are contain mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, salivary glands. According to that, no kidney in this list, so answer will be C. Ionic compound have low melting point. It is for covalent. Let us wait this one. Do not conduct electric current. It is for covalent. Also, do not dissolve in the water. Also, it is covalent. So answer will be B.